Homer, how are you?
Hi, good morning, Ivan.
Hi, money.
I just found a very tasty recipe yesterday and I saved it in my machine. If you are interested, you can come to try.
Okay, yes, of course. I'm very curious. Wait me half hour. I'm coming.
No problem, I will prepare the coffee for you.
Okay, see you later. Bye.
Bye, see you. Ivan is here. Hi, Ivan, welcome.
Oh, okay. Today is a rainy day, it's cold. I need a cup of coffee.
Okay, that's good. I just finished brewing coffee. Let's try it.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. Okay. Which bean you use?
I use the Ethiopia beans. I just bought it today, so I brewed a cup of coffee.
Okay, then. Enjoy.
Enjoy. What do you think?
Something not correct. This bean, I think that the good point is the fruity flavor. Little acidity, fruity flavor. But this bean this coffee is too much bitter. I think that maybe you make some mistake, need to modify some parameter in your recipe.
Okay, no problem. I just saved the recipe in my machine.
Okay, so very easy. I teach you, don't need to make one new, but we modify directly your recipe. And then maybe I save like a new, so you keep the old one and the new one, I can match.
Okay, go ahead and save me.
Yes. First of all, we need to arrive to the list of the saved recipe. Okay? So, my recipe and saved recipe. Which one you use of this recipe?
The recipe is named in my name. It's Homer.
Okay,
Yes.
this one?
Yes.
Okay, so I check the details. Okay. Yeah, we can change some parameter like the quantity of water in the second process, and then maybe we can change in the one of the last process the blooming time. Okay, so we reduce a little the bitter part. Okay, we try, I modify, and then we brew again and we check if it's different. Okay, I go ahead. So in the bottom you need to touch modify recipe. Okay, first of all. Just one thing you need to remember, you can modify only the parameter about the brew. So all the list of parameter in the brew, so in this case is 5 step. The part up, that means the quantity of bean, the brew ratio, you cannot change because this is already setting before in the machine. The machine keep this parameter. Okay, so I proceed to change. In the second process, I change the quantity, so I touch, I modify, I put 80, and then I confirm. Okay, and then in the fourth process, I change the blooming time, so I change the pause, I put less, only 15. Okay, I confirm. In this case, I think is enough. So I pass to save the recipe. I want to keep your, and I save like a new. Okay. Just one more tips. In the machine, you can save a maximum of 50 recipe. Now you have a space, it's not a problem. But if you save more than 50 recipe and you want to make some modification, you need to or delete some old one or modify some recipe that you already have. Okay. In this case, it's not a problem. You have enough space. So I touch save as new. Okay. I put my name. So in this case, I call Ivan. Okay. Then I confirm. actually we have a new recipe. Okay, so your old one is keep, you see, is here. In the end of the list, there are my new recipe. We can brew and try if change something.
Yes, okay.
Okay, so we brew my recipe. You tell me if you have a feeling that something changed in the flavor.
Yes,
Okay,
no problem.
so yeah, we are in the list. Set the details about my recipe.
So I press
so
the
I
details.
check. Okay, you before use 20 gram and the grinding setting is 30. Okay, okay.
So we're back to the
Back,
list.
yes, choose the recipe. Okay. Preheating like the usually. So
Yes.
yes, okay. Built-in scale. Okay. Can
Need to turn over
okay,
the
I
lid.
turn.
Okay.
Okay, confirm.
Confirm.
Okay, usually entering. Okay, so
A little more. Yes. It's a
okay. Yeah, it's
Okay.
okay. Perfect.
So I pressed confirm.
Yes, confirm. Okay, so
The setting is 30.
30. Okay, so adjust. Okay, confirm. I put the bean. This is usually like before. Close. You confirm. I prepare the filter.
Okay, confirmed. So I confirm again.
Yes, go ahead
Then-
to grinding.
Stop.
Okay. Okay, to make coffee.
Coffee.
Yeah.
And then move the curve.
Yeah. You remember I suggested to
Yeah.
you the flat. Okay, put here. Then you can go
Confirm.
ahead usually. Okay.
And then put some water inside.
It's okay. We already used the preheating.
But that is not enough.
Ah, okay. Just
so
a
I
little.
put it to the maximum level.
Yeah, yeah. It's okay. It's okay. Yes.
Okay.
Confirm all
Then
and start. Okay. The machine.
So
Finish.
we're waiting for the water
Yes.
boiling.
Okay. The machine near to finish, and then automatically. Okay. So start to brew. You have the usually diagram. Okay. So you remember basic on your recipe. I change the quantity of water in the second process. Okay. So give this more sweety, and also I reduce the blooming time in the fourth process, and this reduce the bitter. Okay, so I think that now the coffee finally is little more balanced. But we try.
Okay, we'll try it.
They usually 5 process, because I saw that you continues to use the 40-60. You like this way to, it's okay. It's easy to manage different parameter for different bean. It's very good.
So we can also check the water temperature and the pour water volume on the diagram.
Yes, and then you check the progress in time, because this brew need around 3 minutes, and then you can check in which status is now based on the diagram.
So this will be helpful for my improving my skills. on this machine.
Yes, yes, the diagram is very useful. Because also, based on this diagram and the parameter, you check what's happened in the in the filter, and then you can use this like a data for the future recipe. Okay.
Yes.
The flavor is good. Now, yes.
Seems good.
Yes. This is a fresh bean. You say that you buy yesterday. So it's a very
It's very
fresh.
fresh.
Yes, yes. Have the flavor of a fresh roasting. Okay. The last pause and then finish the last brew. Yeah. Near to complete. Okay.
Okay.
155 seconds.
Yes.
Okay, so little more than 2 minutes. Yeah, it's okay.
The coffee bed is very flat.
Yes, it's very good. So the parameter about the temperature, grinding size, all was okay also in your original recipe.
So let's try.
Okay.
Enjoy the coffee.
Enjoy. You find some difference?
Yes, it tastes very good. And then the flavor is really good and very acidity and more flavor.
Yes, I think that now is more correct to match with the coffee bean profile.
Yes.
Okay, so it's good recipe. So I thinking that now you have two possibility to choose because also your don't was bad, also good coffee. So also you can take some picture about the recipe and then also you can share to some other friend if you want. Okay?
Yes.
Also I won't take a picture, I want save it for myself and then maybe share to some another friend. Okay?
No problem.
Yes? Okay, so yes.
So we enter to the
Yes,
recipe
come
list.
inside to the detail. Yes, this one. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yeah. I try my home and then also maybe I share me too.
Yes.
Okay. This is a good way to keep in contact with some other coffee lover.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Ah.